Hey there, Sean here. Just want to give you a quick overview of the new internet income system. You can log in for free, create your account for free. Weekly, they're having live streams. You can come in here and join on Thursday evenings. I think it's around 6 p.m. Central Time. Uh, you can also come right over to free courses and access each one of these. These are premium courses that are up to date on how you can make things work now. And a lot of times you can do it without spending a lot of money. There is a section on paid traffic here, and there's 5 different sections here. This one's almost 2 hours long. This one's almost 2 hours long. This one's an hour and a half. I mean, you can see there's quite a bit of content in there, and these are from professionals. This is at a premium mastermind. Go back to free courses there. One thing that's really hot right now is faceless marketing. So setting up accounts that are basically creating videos, whether that be with AI or with some other form of content. But it's going over, it's a couple hours in each section here. How to set up the faceless account so you don't get banned. What to do with your profiles for Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. How to use OPC, other people's content. You'd be surprised how easy. There's several different tactics there that you can really just blow up a new TikTok account from just using these simple little clips. You can also do AI content. There's a ton of stuff in here. The bridge page, that's a lot of affiliates. They don't really know how to set up bridge pages the right way. Chris goes into some serious detail. I've only caught a little bit of that one, but I believe I saw that one here a couple of months ago. The YouTube setup. So that's with your YouTube channel, how to set it up properly to avoid any kind of headaches right from the get-go and to optimize it for views and subscribers. How to get the monetization from YouTube. I mean, there's a ton of stuff in here. Each one of these is close to a couple hours long. And they're separated by section. You can hover over it and you see that's voiceovers and scripts, print-on-demand stuff, YouTube automations, AI backgrounds, script writing with AI, tech problems and fixes. There's a ton of stuff under here. And it's organized in a way that you can easily digest it.
What's up, everybody? It is Wednesday, November 29th, and we're going to go ahead and kick off another YouTube marketing session. We're currently in the pregame. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump in chat real quick, make sure audio is coming in clear. I'm going to do a working session.
Wanted to show, that's not the one that I wanted to show right offhand, but anyway, you get the idea. You can come through here and you can see there's dozens of hours of content. Viral clipping is a very good one. All you have to do is send an email to my email address below, and I'll send you an invitation. Now, I might be asleep or gone or just out of pocket for a few minutes, but I will send you that invitation, and you'll be able to join for free and access all of this and watch it at your own pace. And really, hopefully, you'll learn a lot of stuff and put it into action quickly. All right, thanks much. Talk to you later.